Okay guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am Mr. Bobbin or
Malika.
Or Malika and
I'm so bad.
or Malika and geez, what am I saying? And today
And today,
not even today, but this video is just gonna be a vlog about.
wow, this a new one?
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm not gonna put in the old one. I actually have to edit that on my camera. I mean my laptop here to edit at the park. Anyway.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So it's a new vlog video, and today we're going to Michael's because we both decided that we wanted to start knitting chunky stuff. So we're gonna go to Michael's to see what they have because we don't really want to have to order yarn online, especially since it's the holidays coming up. We want something that we can just go to the store and pick up easily. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do some browsing, see what they have and stuff like that. And then, well, first we're gonna go to Starbucks and we're gonna go to Michael's, and then we're going to get something to eat. So we're gonna get burger room today. I'm gonna drop it off here for them, and then we can go back to the park to eat it there, or whatever. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to. Wow. I know we haven't had it enough.
I know. I'm gonna be like, wow.
Right. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys, of course, and let's get this day started. Guys, we literally left our camera in the car. We were walking to Michael's. Oh my gosh, you guys can't see. We were walking, and then Gabe was like, "Oh my gosh, my camera!" And it didn't even click for me. And then I was like, "Oh my gosh, yeah, our cameras!" But we got it. And we're here now, and she left me, so that's cool. Okay guys, so Kahima stole all of this yarn, and now I'm stealing it because I need it and she doesn't. I don't really need it, but I want it, so now she's left with this. Okay guys, I got this Woolies Thick and Quick in this color and this color, and I'm going to make a knit cardigan, like a chunky one, since it's Christmas time, and maybe I'll have enough to make a beanie to match it. We'll see. I don't really know, but I might have enough. Now we're just waiting. Kahila was filming reels, and now we're just in the parking lot waiting for her to continue.
Okay, look. I added caption.
Okay guys, so I already started the cardigan with the yarn I got from Michael's that you guys saw. So I finished the back panel and then one of the front panels, and now I'm on the other front panel. Needle stopper film. Anyway, so this is the front panel, one of the front panels. Then this is the back panel, and then this is the other front panel I'm working on. So the back panel is going to be red. One panel will be red, and then the other will be green, and then the green panel will have a red sleeve, and the red panel will have a green sleeve. And then the ribbing will be, so the panel, one panel will have green ribbing, the red panel will have green ribbing, the green panel will have red ribbing. Yes. So let's get it. Okay guys, I finally finished the cardigan. I don't know why I said finally when it only took like 2 days. And anyway, this is, can I back up more? Oh, perfect. This is how it turned out. So like I said, I mixed and matched it. So red and green and green and red, green, red. The back is just plain, but the front is all cute and mixed matchy, which is exactly what I wanted. This turned out exactly as I envisioned. I wanted it like to stop right here-ish. I didn't want it cropped. I wanted it like long enough. And then I wanted the sleeves balloony, just like this. I actually had to frog the first sleeve I did because it was like down here. And that was just way too much sleeve. So I had to sew it up more to get it like this, which is perfect. And it is so cute. And I freehanded this. I don't know if I told you guys that. It's literally so easy to freehand once you know how to knit, purl, and decrease, honestly, and bind off, obviously. So yeah, it was super easy. I didn't follow a pattern, so I can't even tell you guys what pattern to follow because I didn't follow one, and I don't know if I'll make one either. I don't know. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and literally in my next video I'm going to be making, well, knitting a top to match this cardigan, which will be freehanded as well, so I won't even have a pattern for that. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm excited to show you guys that, and then show you guys the top and cardigan together, which would be so cute. Anyway, that's literally all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.